In the heart of a tranquil monastery, a young boy named Zion sought guidance from the venerable old monk, Master Kai. Master Kai, Zion inquired, how can one become part of the 1%, not in wealth, but in wisdom and inner peace? Master Kai, with a gentle smile, handed Zion a small, empty basket. Go to the garden, he said, and fill this basket with only the ripest fruits. Zion ventured into the garden, meticulously selecting each ripe fruit. Upon returning, he presented the filled basket to Master Kai, who nodded approvingly. Now, Master Kai spoke, imagine the ripe fruits are moments of clarity, kindness, and understanding. To be 1%, cultivate these moments in the garden of your mind, letting the unripe ones fall away. In doing so, you become rich not in possessions, but in the abundance of a mindful and compassionate heart. Zion, inspired by the lesson, embarked on a journey to cultivate the 1% that truly mattered, aspiring to be rich in the harvest of wisdom and inner peace. Thanks for watching our videos. For interesting topic like this, please subscribe our channel.